Today I will show you how to use transaction SU53 on an SAP system with multiple instances. Transaction SU53 is the standard tool in SAP for analyzing failed authorization checks when a user is unable to perform an action and receives an error message, such as no authorization. This transaction helps identify the cause. So let's open the transaction SU53. We see here some info like instance and so on, username. We can switch the username here. So I click on other user. Then I type here the username where I know that the user had an authorization error. And now we see here the result. For example, no right to open the transaction SU01. So on big systems, we could have more than one instance. And to switch the instance, we open the transaction SM51. Here we see a list of different instances. And if we know the user was logged in on instance 3, we do a double click on instance 3, for example. And then on this list, we open again the transaction SU53. And then we are on this instance where the user got the error. And then we can here again change the username. And now we can see the error from the user on this instance. So if you enjoyed the video, feel free to click like. Do you have any questions or tips of your own? Post them in the comments. Subscribe to the channel to become part of the community and make sure you don't miss any future videos. Take care and see you in the next video.